So, hello YouTubers, I have just had delivery of my new Secretlab Omega chair. It's quite a heavy box, it's quite big, I'm 6'4" myself sort of thing, and this already weighs 30 kilos. It does say that your unboxing experience starts right here. So I've got a small steak knife to then open very, very carefully. So it does say caution not to touch the backrest recliner lever, because you could end up snapping it back, I would have assumed. Well, first of all, impressions are pretty good. It's very well packed. Some nice cardboard bits and pieces as well. And here we've got the back. Some nice cushions and a lumbar support as well. Save those for later. Now, it's got all the very nice new compartments and stuff. So you've got a box here for all your accessories. Let's have a look, see what's in here. So you got all your caster wheels. There you go. Look at that for presentation. Pretty cool, isn't it? Excellent. Let's have a look, see what else you got. This would be the axle stand. So that's where the seat goes on, and then it goes into your little hydraulic lift. Save that for later. And that's basically it for the box, but as you can see, it's very nicely well packaged. And I suppose the next stage would be to build it. So next video I'll show you how to put it together.